Imagine kasi talaga if we drop this one, talagang hindi nabutas ng karayong siguro yung dadaanan namin. Siguro the chance for us to make it to the Final Four. At least ngayon may konting medyo lumaki yung butas, but then again, it's gonna be a hard long way up. And one game at the time, and I hope na itong ganitong performance should be the start. Again, hindi naging madali yung laro. 3 free throws, buti na lang 3 free throws versus 6 free throws versus 27 free throws at the start. Talagang we're trying to find ways na kung paano kami makakadepensa without fouling. And ang maganda naman yung itong team ko talaga nag-stick sila, though alam natin it's not going to be perfect, pero again it's the defensive game plan talagang ayun yung gusto namin. I told them na at some point Miller and Estrada were shooting the lights out during the first half, pero I just told them na wag lang kayo magpanic, stick it out, let's stay together, and later on let's see. And again, we were able to survive this, and at least we were able to convert crucial free throws down the end, and isang malaking bagay yung 22 assists din namin.